previous video, we create our first web API project, and you can see that here is the weather forecast controller. So when you create any web API projects for the weather forecast controller automatically control created. So this is the default controller. When we create project, it automatically created, and you can see that the in Swagger here is the output is the weather forecast endpoint, and if I expand it, click on triode and click on the execute button, and you can see that here is the collections of weather information that weather forecast get AP has returned. So today we are going to implement some identity features in our project. So go to into depth. So first we have to have basic knowledge for the identity code. So it is the open source framework, and it is used for the securing our .NET Core application. So it is an API that supports the user interface login functionality. If we go with the third party or external login when we create the application, so it automatically create the user login functionalities, user creation, and etc. It is used to manage user password, profile data, roles, career tokens, email configuration, and we will discuss this in the later videos. So and it is by default it uses the anti framework core data models. So it has a core functionalities such as sign up, email configuration, reset password, change password, forget password, and login and logout. When we create traditionally any application, so we need all of these functionalities to um, interact the user with our application. We need it login, logout, forget password, change password, reset password, email configuration, and sign up, etc. So these are some methods that the identity core feature default provide. There are many other methods or features, or we can say that the functionalities that the identity core feature provide. So, with the using of identity code features, we don't need to write multiple line of codes or extra logic to perform these type of actions. So, through the identity code feature, we can apply some external login providers like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and Twitter. So, identity core features provide many functionalities for us. We can create a traditionally user and log into the system, or we can use the external login providers such as social platform. So, next step is to implement identity core features in our project. Let's start to configure identity core feature in our projects. First, we have to install some login package, which is first is the identity framework core, and second is the ASP.NET Core.Identity. So, as you can see that I have already installed these packages in Microsoft ASP.NET Core Identity Framework Core, and second is the ASP.NET Core.Identity.UI. So if we have to install Nugget package, so simply right click on the project. Oh, sorry, project is in the running form. Simply right click on your project and select manage Nugget packages. So as you can see that here is the browse option. Browse option is used to when you have to install new package which is not installed in your application, and that is required. So you can type here just like yeah, I have to select just identity. So you can see that it has provided many Nugget packages. So you can see that this package is already installed, and it's giving me two options: uninstall or update. If you have to install new package, you will only see the installed packages. So in the installed tab, you can see that the packages those are installed in your application, and if there is any update in the packages, you can move to the update tab, and all the packages will be displayed here, so you can update all the packages one by one. So this is the introduction of the introductory, and how you can add packages, install packages related to the identity core features, identity or any other packages. So in the next video, we will move to the implementation of the identity features, and we will create some DB context class, and add in our database. So you can see that I have created app Blazor DB, and in this DB there is no table. So in the next video we will add some identity feature here. So thanks for watching video. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box.